you about life, and how has your child changed you? Let's start with Daddy Vladimir.
Siguro po sa akin, sobrang dami po, no? Tinuruan po ako ng, since I become a dad, from Olivia, from Pasha, no? Tinuruan niya ako maging matibay talaga sa buhay. Sobrang daming challenges, lalo-lalo na nung unang, nung early years ng pagiging parent namin. Napakarami, gaya nung kay Miss Janela rin na sinabi kanina. Muntik na rin akong, alam mo yung sobrang dami ng mga problems. Parang may time na darating na, ano ba to, parang ayoko na. Parang ganun. Pero siguro nung nakita ko na may anak ako eh. So meron ng buhay na responsibilidad ko siya eh. Hindi, so kailangan maging matibay talaga ako. Kahit anong challenges, minsan may mga demons sa head natin. No? Minsan pa party-party yan dyan. Pag naging magulang ka na, talagang alam mo yun, lalabanan mo sa daily. No? Kaya ganun ka-importante minsan yung pagiging malamig ng anak. Simpleng, I love you talaga lang, mga ganun. Parang, silence talaga lahat ng mga nasa brain mo, yung mga pag-overthink, yung mga sinasabi ng iba, mga ganun. So yun, feeling ko yun.
Thank you. Mommy Janela.
Sorry, he wants the mic. Okay. No, Jude, that's not. Okay, sorry. Commercial break din. How has Jude changed my life? Wow. I think Jude has changed my life in a lot of ways. Siguro, unang-una sa lahat, yung patience ko. When I got pregnant with Jude, I've always known that I've always wanted to become a mom, and I never felt any hesitation or fear na kaya ko ba to. Parang hindi ako natakot eh. More on, from the start, parang I felt this inner strength na kakayanin ko lahat ng challenges, lahat na mag-arise, kakayanin ko talaga. Pero siguro one of the things that really changed me was patience. Jude and I are very opposite in terms of kung paano kami nung bata. So, he's like a ball of energy. He has so much light. And that I love that about him. People love that about him actually. Because he brings so much light into our room, so much happiness, laughter. He's very silly. And sometimes for me as an introverted mom, that could be draining, especially if you're around that kind of energy 24/7. It's really not easy. Pero, pag mahal mo pala talaga, pag anak mo, lalawak pala talaga yung pasensya mo. You'll be able to see things through the lens of your kid, and with so much love. Parang na-realize ko na, wow, I have so much more love to give pa pala. Kaya mo pa palang, like, he's like a living piece of my heart extended out of my body. So, ayan, makulit na yan. So, I guess that's how he changed my life the most. He taught me na kaya ko pala talaga. Hindi siya madali, pero nare-remind ako araw-araw. Nare-remind ako araw-araw na kayang-kaya ko. Kayang-kaya ko. I'm strong. And he's the biggest blessing of my life. And I will do it all over again, without a doubt.
Thank you. Mommy Elise.
Actually, grabe yung tanong, no? Parang it really makes you think about your whole life in this kind of setup. How has Felice changed my life? Before having her, kasi I grew up in a solo household family as well. And then, only child din ako. So I think, I love you, mommy. I think before, I was just focused about my own well-being. So, when Felice came to my life, doon nabuksan yung pagiging, like she taught me how to care more about others. And there are other things in life other than myself. Yung ngayon, I realized that there's other people and other things to think about, not just myself. So siya yung nagturo sa akin na there's more to life, and every day she teaches me how to be more of everything, more caring, more patient, more aware, and I guess wiser now that I am a mom, kasi I have this responsibility of raising a human being. So, yun, parang 360-degree talaga yung change sa akin from being a single child and solo child. Tama naman. And becoming a mother na, unexpected. So, total flip talaga ng buhay ko si Felice, but I'm really glad that I'm very blessed that God has given me Felice as my daughter, kasi every day she makes me feel like there's nothing else in life that I could have. Her alone is enough. Na yun na yung success for me. Yun na yung biggest blessing for me, and there's nothing more to ask in my life but having Felice as a daughter. So yun, every day I'm just grateful for her.
Thank you so much. For the next question, anyone can answer this. What makes the People Elite's Galing Challenge 2.0 different or really a level up from the previous season? Go ahead.
For me po kasi last season is parang single